Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sonal Rajpal. Students, today I am going to tell what are the characteristics of chemical reactions. As you all are aware that there are so many chemical reactions that are occurring around you. So how you come to know that the chemical reaction has occurred? So first of all I am going to explain what is chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, you all know that reactants react together to form products. And you also know that the property of the products are totally different from its reactant. For example, I'll take the example of hydrogen react with oxygen to form water. So whenever you are going to write in a word form chemical, it is called as the chemical reaction, and the shorthand version of the chemical reaction, it is called as the chemical equation, which I already explained in my previous video. So if I'm going to write H2 plus O2 to forms water, so it is called as the chemical equation, and it is also an unbalanced chemical equation because here the left hand side mass is not equal to the right hand side mass. But in balanced chemical equation, students, you know that when the left hand side mass is equal to the right hand side mass, so this is called as the balanced chemical equation. But now the question comes to your mind, how you all come to know that the chemical reaction has occurred? So students, there are various characteristics of chemical reactions. So whenever there is a reaction is happening around you, so there is a evolution of some gas, might be there is a kind of smell coming. So, for example, when the metal react with acid, salt is formed and hydrogen gas is produced, and hydrogen gas burn with a pop-up sound. And might be in a reaction there could be a change in color. For example, KMnO4. You know students, KMnO4 is a potassium permanganate. Itself color is purple, and when you add lemon juice or any acid to this KMnO4, it becomes colorless. So you just think of that there might be some chemical reaction is occurring. And now in a chemical reaction there could be a change in temperature. In some reactions, students, energy is evolved, that is called as the exothermic reaction. For example, is respiration. And in some reaction, students, energy is required to carry out that reaction, that is called as the endothermic reactions. And the example of this is photosynthesis, which I will explain in my next videos. And there is a change in the physical state whenever a chemical reaction is happening. That is, example is the burning of candle. You know about students, whenever candle is burned, it is a chemical reaction. So there is a change in physical state, that solid, liquid and gas. You can see three state when the candle is burned, and there is a formation of PPT. For example, AgNO2, that is a silver nitrate, reacts with sodium chloride. It will produce AgCl, silver chloride, PPT, and sodium nitrate. So students, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, Science Classes @ Dr. Sonal Rajpal 123.